making singular items, I quite often make stuff in batches and it can be a bit boring. So I thought this might make it a bit more interesting. And I thought you should come along for the ride. So let's see what we can do. Right, this weekend I've got a craft fair for the first time. I haven't done a craft fair since I was a kid, and Mum used to do dried flowers. Always said I wasn't going to do them, but kind of what I do has kind of led into them a little bit. First sell online means I could be making stuff and just selling when I'm not there, but this is nice and local, thought I'd give it a shot. What I did think though was I was going to make a few little extra smaller items that I probably wouldn't normally make for Etsy, make to sell on Etsy. My stuff, not Etsy's. So Mum's gun shed. She's got lots of old toolboxes and old bits and pieces she's collected over the years. Some of them absolutely beautiful. And she's got this one little tote that I absolutely love. It's got a wooden frame around the outside, and inside it's divided up with plywood. And I thought, do you know what? That just looks like a perfect little project to build. So I thought, let's build that. I've got some 9mm board here that I bought a while ago to make my wardrobes with. So that can do for the outside. I have plenty of 9mm ply for the middle and the inside. It's got tiny little corner strips on the angle, and I've got some bits and pieces, some leftovers of these that I can make some nice little corner strips with. Pin it all together and see what it looks like. So I thought I'd do this as a little video, not going to take very long. We use staples instead of nails, I reckon. We're just going to pin it together. I think by the time it's got everything, it's going to be plenty strong enough. Glue the edges. Cut a piece of ply for the base. Oh, wow, 200. Obviously, I was making a lot of these. I'd make a jig up for this bit, and all I'm going to do is notch this piece. I'm not going to cross it because I think it's too much. That should hold fine. If I was making a lot, I'd probably cut it with a router, 9mm router, have a jig. But I'm going to use the bandsaw and just cut these out. So I'm only making one of them. favours the brave runners. Okay, so there we go. It's quite a nice, lightweight tote. I'm really quite pleased with this. I'm tempted to keep it myself, to be honest with you. I think it's a really nice one. Mum's puts all her greenhouse like repair bits and pieces in this one that she's got at her place. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's quite nice, obviously quite saleable. I don't know how much I'll be able to charge for it because it's quite a lot of work for something that's quite small. But I've enjoyed this. Just taken a little bit of time this afternoon to make something a little bit different, keeps my mind kind of working. Something I quite enjoy doing, really. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.